Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 GMC Yukon XL SLT. It comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled power adjustable seats, auto locking rear differential, power adjustable pedals, lane keep assists, power sunroof, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior here, we're going to have this all black interior with lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom here. And that's next to your seat memory. It's equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the child lock and the wood and chrome accents here. You're going to have these black running boards here as well. GMC logo. It's heated and cooled, power adjustable leather seats. Very comfortable. Left side, you'll have your vents. Next to that, you're going to have your park assist, your power adjustable pedals, and lane keep assist. And below that, your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges here, as well as you can access audio, phone, navigation, and other settings as well. So it's just going to be a classic column truck shifter. You're going to have push to start and onto the infotainment system here. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, just pretty standard. On start navigation as well if you want to sign up, and my GMC and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, CD player, and as well as you can do that fun thing with a USB port right in the back. And you're going to have your tri-zone climate control here as well, the heated ventilated seats. You're going to have a 12 volt and as well as 2 USB ports right here in the center console. And we open up more USB and a 12 volt with more storage. Passenger side, same finish. Like I said, heated and cooled, power adjustable, more of that wood and chrome across. Speakers and vents up top here. And here you can access your reading lamps as well as your rear liftgate, universal garage door opener, and that power sliding sunroof. So you get these 22-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Max Trek Fortis tires. Yukon XL badging with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handle. Luggage side rail up top, tinted rear glass in the back. Let's see here, I have power lift gate. You're gonna have the third row seating here, which is power adjustable. And in the back here, you can see on each side, you'll have cup holders and a 12 volt on each side, as well as hooks and lamps, and as well as extra storage down below here. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to more of the rear interior, you're going to have more of that paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, speakers, cup holders right there at the power windows and the chrome handle. You're going to have these adjustable second bench seat, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear climate controls, heated seating, as well as a 12 volt with an AC wall charger, some storage down below, cup holder and armrest in the center with lamps at top and handles on the side. Very well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2020 GMC Yukon XL SLT. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, power adjustable pedals, lane keep assist, auto locking rear differential, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.